Mic check. Hello? Can you hear it?
All that
Mic check. Oh boy, we got a frame. We're in action, and you can't see it. Great. I hate these freaking tolls. It's all the way up there. About to cross into freaking Ohio. Taking this freaking wheel off. See how my new freaking wheels are gonna look. I'm gonna show you what they look like, but they're getting painted, so it's gonna be a lot different. But I got them, they're back there. Some 4th gen stocks, some 35s on them. We got some 36s coming in the mail though, so them should be here on Monday. These bitches are heading. We're going steamrolling. Taking the stuff over to get sandblasted this morning. Look at the smoke coming through the stack hole. Well, not stack, through stack hole. Yeah. Taking the wheels over to get sandblasted. And the tailpipe piece. Got our stuff loaded up. Got the hitch, all my wheels, all loaded up. Shut the tailgate. And we are headed over to powder coat. Or sandblasting, I should say. I'm going to paint them. Yeah, there's a sneak peek. Woo! Yeah, she skipped leg day today, but it's Friday, and our wheels are going to get sandblasted. What are gas prices around you guys? It's 309 here in my hometown, and we got to fill her up. It's getting pricey. Oh yeah, time to get them ready for paint. Here's my wheels and tires, got them all roughed up. Gooseneck plate, Gen Y. Getting them ready for paint. Painting the airbag on my truck because we got some goodies. Yes, my dash is spray painted. All you guys can talk shit about it, still nicer than yours because your dash is probably shattered into 1,000 pieces. New studs. Little doggy. What's up, doggy? Oh, look at that. We got a mint dash, and that's just a shadow, trust me. That's from the windshield, it's a shadow. Look at that, we got a brand new dash inside this thing. And to this side, and boom, brand new mint freaking fresh. What's up, puppy? Little Leo. Look at that pearl. It's filthy, don't mind it. I cannot get over this paint. Oh, and by the way, I bought a bounce house. It's a game. Seen it on Facebook Marketplace and I had to have it. But yeah, this paint is freaking clean. I love it. We got some goodies that came in the mail. The guys over at Jax Wax decided to hook me up on my truck and the new paint. So they are one of the first sponsors that I have gotten. Versa Tire sending me tires on the way. Hopefully here tomorrow. We might have something to make this right here go up to there, but you have to wait and see. Traction bars, they're for sale. I want $500 for them if you pick them up, and probably $630 shipped. And I can repaint the mount and the bars for some extra money. It is filthy right now, so good thing we have this. So let's open it up and see what they sent. Gamma seal lid. Transform your bucket into a resealable storage container. So I think this thing probably pops off. I could be wrong. Maybe if we put water in here and soap, it'll like stay in there. I'm not sure. Okay, a wash mitt, nice. Is it lined or is it? No, they need to start lining these things with plastic or like some type of vinyl so your hand don't get wet, but it's nice, very, very nice. A drying towel. Got this drying towel right here. Jesus, it's massive. Jeez, holy shit. 2 microfibers. An applicator, I would think. I don't know. I don't clean my shit. I'm new to all this. My boys are going to show me how to clean it. Some of my friends that do detailing. I have no idea what this is. It looks cool though. I would think maybe this. Wiping down edges? I don't freaking know. But I'm so thankful for them sending me this because it needed it. Okay, first thing. Wash and wax. Car soap. We got all of the spray bottle attachments. So 5 of those. And 2 of these. So I would assume the 5 tops go on our stuff. Super blue this is. Tire dressing. Spray wax. Use a lot of that. We got glass cleaner. Clean these windows, and that passenger side window needs to be replaced. Look at all those fingerprints on this thing though. Good thing I got Jax Wax. We got body shine detail spray, and it's scented. And I think that's what those squeeze things are for, bug zapper. And super citrus, yeah, citrus, I don't know, I could be saying that wrong. All-purpose cleaner. So I would assume you just mix this up in the water, 5 to 1. So 5 gallons of water to one of these, or anything 5 to 1. 5 ounces, pints, grams, pounds, whatever frick you want to do with it. And then down here we got this thing, which, if you guys don't know, is a lifesaver. What it's for is when you fill up your bucket with water, you throw this down inside there, and when you put your rag or your mitt back in here, it doesn't allow the dirt to come back up in the mitt, so it all falls down in here. When you clean this out, it's full of dirt. So we got that, and this nice bucket to wash it with. But I'm honestly gonna keep this bucket nice because I got somewhere to store all my stuff. And I usually don't bucket wash, but it's pretty sweet. So let's put all this stuff back inside here. And yeah, that is going to end today's video. So if you want to see more stuff of me cleaning or learning to clean and filming the wet sanding and buffing process, just let me know down in the comments. With that being said, sun's out, 72 degrees. We're back in Indiana, and the next video will have different and different. So stay tuned. Peace.